respected Chief Medical Director, CMS Adrar, Chakradarpur, CHD Dr. Avinash, Dr. Patnaik MD Central Hospital, Dr. Mandal, Dr. Behura, CMS Ranchi, all the officers of CMD Secretariat, doctors of Central Hospital, all my staff members who have come from far and long corner of Southeastern Railway, ladies and gentlemen. It is a new thing. Chief Medical Director has introduced for the first time in the Railway award ceremony. So I must thank him for giving this opportunity to the hospitals to present their achievements. So basically we have been asked to talk a little bit about achievements during the year 12-13 and the future plan for 13-14. Kharagpur division, I have included some of the items only. We have targets for almost all the items. The target for indoor admissions, it is a 340 bed hospital. The target was 9,100 at indoor admission. We have achieved 8,915. OPD patient target was 4,55,000. We have achieved 4,58,527. Major operations, the target was 1,200. Achievement is 1,332. It would have been little more. Our ophthalmologist is not there. Minor operation target was 1,400. Achievement is 2,024. BOR, though the target was 60%, we could achieve only 55%. ALS is average length of stay. The standard is 7 days. Ours is little higher for the orthopedics patients and the chest clinic patients. Kharagpur Pathological Laboratory is one of the well-equipped laboratory and the number of beneficiaries is also quite high. The target was 5,10,000 investigations. We could achieve 5,67,000. Ultrasound, it is done regularly all the 6 days in a week. Target was 4,000. We could go up to 4,170. The blood bank is functioning very nicely there. We collected around 1,600. Achievement is 1,212. It is not less. Actually, I could mention there is a call donor system also. If the call donor system, the blood units, if I add to the main, this has been collected by our blood bank. If I will add that will touch around 1,700. Fast track training, it is regularly being done. There is a system training school, otherwise other operating training schools. So the target was 2,200 employees of the railway staff should be given, and we could do it. We did it 3,384. Multi-purpose health drive. Our target was 30. We managed to do 71. It is almost more than 100%. Non-railway army. The division little emphasized me on this area. Target was 24 lakhs. We did it 30 lakhs 51,800. Medical exemption, the standard, the disposal of the candidate within a day one, target was 80%. We achieved 92%. PME, periodical medical examination, target was 90%. We achieved 92%. Mandate loss due to RMC and IOD. Usually the target is 1.25, 1.5 and 2, sometimes a little bit for 2. We got it 1.16%. Water sample tested for bacteriological analysis. The target was 850 as per the medical manual provision. We distributed all over Kharagpur division. And due to some summer collection and other times puja collection, we did it 942. For residual chlorine, it was 8,000 target. We did it 8,469 for the same circumstances. Food sample tested under quality control. The target was 288 as per the schedule. But again, due to some circular of railway board, we achieved in some particular seasons, and it went up to 365. The new technology, this is a nomenclature in the railway board pro forma. We have done new technology which had not been done earlier, that is transabdominal periparietal angioplasty by our surgeon. Video laryngoscopy, laparoscopy, cholecystectomy has been regularly done there. Odontoscopy, an ENT specialist he has done. And total laparoscopic hysterectomy, LAVH, etc. we have been doing. IRMS doctors are also doing. And case-to-case consulting basis, we are calling them and they are also doing it. Hemiarthroplasty, open reduction, internal fixation, DHS, etc. are being regularly done. Special activities during the year 2011-12, 12-13, the Kharagpur casualty unit is a 22-bedded casualty unit. Earlier only male ward was air conditioned. Now the female ward was also air conditioned this year. The FSSA, it was a new thing. We have done number of food establishments, including pantry car and station stall, on this FSSA. The hospital has got new furniture worth 5 lakh rupees, including a new LCD projector, and all the cabins. There are 5 cabins in Kharagpur Hospital. New furnitures, 2 beds, sofa, single seater, center table, steel almirah, all of whatever is required in a cabin, standard cabin, it has been procured last year. Health checkup for employees at their workplace started as per Railway Board directive. The previous SEMAR has given a directive for this thing. As usual, we are doing earlier also. This we have simplified and started doing at all the workplaces, especially the sets and the workshops. 8 health units, there were no inverters. Some of the health units are very far off. Many times the light goes up. So health units were also provided with inverters. And new big machines, we have purchased 3 ICU ventilators, 1000 mA X-ray machine was inaugurated by the General Manager, Present General Manager, and Phako emulsification machine received under MNP program. As regards the preventive health checkup, we conducted around 71 MPHD, health checkup camps, 66 we did, health education meetings on different subjects, lifestyle diseases, hypertension, diabetes, even this ladies health screening camp, we have done 121 meetings. More than 70 blood donation camps were held all over Kharagpur division, more so in Kharagpur itself. Officers health checkup, present Chief Medical Director, when he took over, he told about this officer health checkup. We did it, officer health checkup, both for open line officers and other workshops and stores. 150 officers are there. Officer health checkup also completed. Ladies health checkup, what I have mentioned also, we have been doing it regularly at Santragach and Kharagpur. And for the first time, summer medical first aid at Kharagpur station for 10 days was held, keeping our staff and St. John's ambulance members. Similarly, first aid centers we opened during the Durga Pujas at important stations like Kharagpur, Mechad and Santragachi. A public health conference was organized on 13 July. The theme was safe and wholesome water and food sampling under FSSA. Delegates from 5 zones of Indian Railways they participated, and this was a success. Hospital garden has been renovated. A new hospital garden has been renovated. Big garden, it was mostly on grass under advice of the present General Manager. He himself inaugurated on January 12. Most of the old and unserviceable items of divisional hospital and health units, this I am going to emphasize. Most of them have been condemned and disposed to the scrap yard, and around 40-50% items we have processed for procurement against condemnation. For the first time, Kharagpur, whoever worked at Kharagpur, the railway market area was coming under medical department by our own department, the staff. We have outsourced the Kharagpur Golbazar area, and we surrendered 12 posts for that only. Our staff were working around 50. And there is a bus stand on the opposite side of the station that was also outsourced without any surrender. So these are the 2 things we have outsourced last year, and this due to the regular this dengue outbreak, where we took a lot of anti-mosquito measures all over the division, including the divisional headquarters. New chest ward for male patients was inaugurated. That's a new building. All the roads of the hospital were not repaired. It was for last 10 to 12 years, it was all repaired with new cold top. And many of you, if you are not aware of, a new G+3 building is coming up at Kharagpur. Present cost is around 7 crores, but it will go up to around 14 crores when the thing will be completed. Many of the old buildings, departments which are functioning in other places, they all will be shifted there. Even this may also help for the setting up a medical college which is under process. These are some of the photographs of the health shop camp we did at Workshop Kharagpur. Again, Workshop Kharagpur, MPL at Baleswar Health Unit, blood donation camp, which is being done regularly by our in-house people. Conference we conducted there at Kharagpur Auditorium in the newly renovated auditorium. The future plan and target for 2013-14. The target we have revised for this year depending upon the last year target. Patients